everybody, so today I'm going to show you 5 different hairstyles that you can wear to the gym besides that regular messy bun. And the best part is that they can all be done in less than 5 minutes. All you need are 2 hair ties and 2 bobby pins. So let's get started with our first look, okay? So hopefully your hair is combed through and maybe not as frizzy as mine. But the very first one is a twist with a side bun. So starting with an over dramatic part here, grabbing a little piece, and then another little piece underneath like your bangs, and starting to do a little twist. I love the twists because they look so like they're time consuming and put together. But again, it really only takes just a few seconds. Doesn't have to be perfect or totally even, just enough to get the hair out of your face, because we all know what fun it is when you're on the treadmill and bangs are flopping through. Grab one of my bobby pins here, pinning right just above the ear. Then taking the rest of the hair, pulling to the same side or opposite, it really doesn't matter, whatever floats your boat. Creating a little ponytail, a little twisty twist into a bun, and then grabbing my hair tie, and 2, and voila. There's look number 1. Not bad, right? All right, perfect. Next, and I think we all forget about this guy, but like the little Princess Leia buns. I love that look. I think it's so young, but fun. Anybody can pull it off. And whenever I see it, I'm like, yes, girl, rock it. So for this one, I'm just going to start parting my hair as evenly as possible into 2 sides. Again, hopefully you have a brush, and if not, hands work as well. Taking that 1/2. My hair is like uber frizzy today, but oh well. And then creating a high ponytail here. I hear my dog coming because he has severe anxiety and can't be left alone. Hi, Samps. You're fine. All right, and then taking the other piece here. Oh, you guys don't mind a dog, right? Perfect. Another high ponytail. I gave him a treat before I started this video, so that means he ate it in 2 minutes. Okay, so anyways, not super perfect or even. I think I left a strand too. But then doing the same thing and just kind of wrapping that into a bun. Samson? I'm gonna cry. I can't get anything done. Okay, bobby pin. Boop. Hi, Samson, we see you. Okay, making sure it's all underneath. Perfect, okay. And then wrapping around. Boop. And then here comes the other bobby pin, what it's good for. And then boop. There you go. Super cute, right? I know, I always forget about that. All right, so that is look number 2. And then the other one that I just love, that's super simple, is just 2 side braids. Like, first of all, it makes that nice little curl or crimp into your hair. And it's super easy peasy. And it looks cute. Looks like you spent some time doing your hair. Cute. And then here. Seriously, just 2 simple braids. Or you can get fancy and do fishtail. I love fishtail braids. Or Dutch even. I'm like so not good at that, but there's that. Right? It's cute. It works. All right, so that is look number 3. Look number 4. It is a variation of the messy bun, I will tell you that. But instead of doing a normal little poof, I like to do the French braid bun. So I hope y'all are not judging my braiding skills here. This is all to help you. Okay, perfect. Adding a little bit more. So give some definition and volume, but again, keeping your bangs off your face and out of your way. Just like, I don't know, like my biggest pet peeve when I'm running. I don't have a headband and my bangs are dangling everywhere. Way back. Okay, so I just like to do it about halfway or to the very end of the crown of your head here. 1 bobby pin or 2, just depending on how thick your hair is. I think for today I can get away with just that 1. And then taking the rest, pulling it up, up, up. And I always like to wrap my hair first before putting the ponytail on. I think it just helps prevent a little bit of breakage. What do I know? Oh. Look number 4. Snazzy, right? I love it and how easy it is. All right, very, very last look here is going to be a nice side braid, but everything over onto one side. Again, making a super dramatic part, combing through, pulling all hair over, and then not starting with the bangs, starting right in the middle, right there, just grabbing your very first piece. Perfect. This helps eliminate those extra little bumps or out of place hairs. And then coming around and almost starting like a large French braid. So we get a little braid going here, getting a little bit in, pulling from back here. So all this hair you pulled over gets into the braid as well. And then a little bit more. A little bit more. This will probably be the longest prep time. Which is what, like a minute? Good boy, Samson. And then as you get to the bottom and it gets kind of thick and unruly, I like to grab a little bit, adding in the last piece, then making it one big chunk, and then finishing with just 1 braid, dividing it into 3. Boop, 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 and that's all she wrote. So then we go ahead and put the hair tie at the very end, and then you may have a few little strays dangling still from the opposite side. So again, just taking your 1 little bobby pin, pulling it underneath, and there. And there you guys have it. There's 5 different hairstyles that you can try next time you work out if you're looking for something a little bit different for your gym selfie. So let me know if you have any questions. I'll post photos of them as well. All right, take care.